Handcuffs here again, and today I've been challenged to a thing. I can't remember the name of the person who challenged me, but it will be on the screen about now. And the challenge was to escape a set of handcuffs with the blue box with a padlock, with the padlock facing me so my hands can't get to the padlock.
How could your hands get the padlock when it's that way though?
They would if it's facing that way. I'd be able to.
If you had long enough.
Wouldn't be easy, but be doable. I've gone for this chub padlock because just to make sure I've picked something that I cannot pick yet. Now if you just give us a minute while we get sorted and crack on with the escape. So as you can see, double locked, both sides. There's that chub padlock that I cannot pick, and I cannot reach the keyhole on. So this is what I've been challenged to escape. I'll let you know how I'm going to plan on doing it.
A stupid way.
Yes.
Always a stupid way.
Can involve injuries such as
broken wrists, bruises, cracked wrists, fractures.
And here's some picture evidence. So yeah, I'm going to try and do a whack attack to get the double lock off these.
And if Mr. Deadlocks breaks his wrist, he's going to have to live with it because I ain't taking him to hospital for something so idiotic. Wait there, you're not in. There we go.
Move it up onto the flashy bit.
Yeah. There we go. Now he's picking up something else. I don't know what it is, but it's something else.
That's an unexpected problem.
But you can't reach the shin bit.
Nope. Alright. That's not right, that's my wrist. That's my wrist.
You're just stabbing yourself.
Yep, I am.
It's never really clever.
Let's go for the left one, see what I can do with the left one.
Oh no, another whack. Double lock off. Use the coven.
Free!
Woo! We did it.
Yeah, I just needed to get my right hand on it. That was the problem. And free.
And the lock is still intact.
Yep. So, blue box is a good design, not foolproof. Well, it'd be fair if I'd used a set of Smith & Wessons. Back attack wouldn't have worked. That would have been a problem. Not that I'm giving anyone hints for things to challenge me to.
Oh.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, no. Oh no, there's springs everywhere. What the hell? What's it doing? Why is it doing that?